Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can analyze your Google Sheets data using Gemini. Gemini is built into all your Google apps, and you can use Gemini inside Google Sheets to create and generate tables, analyze data, and create formulas. Today, I'll be showing you how to analyze data that you already have inside Google Sheets. Also, I'll be using Sheetify CRM, which is a Google Sheets CRM template that we built for small businesses. If you're interested in learning more about this no subscription CRM built with Google Sheets, I will add the relevant resources and tutorials down below in the description. Okay, so inside this Google Sheets file, you can see I use this as a CRM. We have information for our customers and leads on this sheet, like full name, first name, account name, email, address, phone number, customer type, source, date added, media files, due date, priority, sales pipeline status, value, and more. Now what we can do is navigate over here and click on this corner square, and that's going to highlight all the data on this sheet. Then we can navigate up to Gemini, which is this Ask Gemini icon up here. And like I mentioned, we can generate a chart, analyze for insights, as well as leverage these gems, and we can add a prompt down here. For example, if I navigate up to Analyze for Insights, and as you can see, Gemini will generate insights and trends for the data that you've selected. What we can do is expand this, make it larger, and then we can take a look at these insights. Total sales value by sales representative, and you can see that data has been automatically added. We have 4 sales representatives. As you can see, if I navigate across, we have assigned 2. These are our sales representatives. And you can see the total sales value over here for each of these sales representatives. Now, if I navigate down further, we have total sales value by source. And if I navigate across, you can see the sources over here. If I navigate across, you can see Instagram is the highest source in terms of customers that came from Instagram, in terms of the value of the deals coming in. Again, if we navigate down further, we have total sales value by type. We have type over here, and you can see the total value here. Let's navigate down further. We have total sales value by priority. Again, all this data is here. Now, if we navigate down, we have some insights and trends from our data. For example, sales performance by sales representative. Carl has the highest total sales value at $33,800. And then we have other information down here. We have a quick table assigned to, as well as total sales value, sales source, and again, total sales by source, and other data down here. You can see with the data, we can preview. We can also insert this data into our sheet. If I navigate up here, for example, if I like the look of this, I can click insert, and that will generate a new sheet with that data. Okay, let's navigate down here and navigate back over to contacts and leads. You can see all the data has been highlighted, and we can add specific prompts to analyze our data. For example, tell me how much in deal value I have coming in November based on the highlighted data. Give Gemini a moment to generate the result. And as you can see, you have a total deal value of $15,300 coming in November. Let's go ahead and test this out by locating sales value, deal value, and then we have the due date over here. So November are these 4 items here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the total sum you can see is $15,300. Okay, let's add a more detailed prompt to better understand my sales data. I'm first going to navigate up here, select all the data, add the prompt down here. I've added, can you share a bar graph that shows the sales team members versus the deal value they have coming in over this September, October, November, and December. Let's go ahead and hit generate. Give Gemini a moment to generate that graph and add insights. And as you can see, here we have the graph. Deal value by sales team members, September through to December 2025. You can see Carl, $33,800 in terms of the sales deal value he has coming in, which is the most over the 4 months compared to Francis, Katie, and Stuart. If we navigate down here, you can see a breakdown of this graph. The chart illustrates the total deal value for each sales team member, with Carl with the highest deal value of $33,800. Now, with this graph, you can see that charts now live and editable. This means if we insert this graph and we make edits to the sheet's chart, it updates with the changes to the inserted data. Pretty cool, huh? As you can see, you can quickly analyze your data. If I close out of this, this is powerful when you're using a platform, a template like our Sheetify CRM, bookkeeping, or project management toolkit, because you can simply click up here to analyze all this data then navigate up to Gemini and ask Gemini anything that you like, or simply click on Insights, as I showed you earlier, and all this data will be generated. Again, with the generated data, you can copy, insert, and preview. For example, here's a preview. Let's close out of that. Or we can navigate down and we can insert this into a new table. Pretty cool, huh? And that is how you can analyze your data inside of Google Sheets using Gemini. If you're interested in learning more about Gemini and how you can use Gemini across all your different Google apps, I will add the relevant tutorials up above and down below in the description for you to check out. Thank you for watching this video. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.